Looks like Brock is trying to do a trade. I'll give you a minute. Here we go again. Our goal now, maybe hit another gold checkerboard, another auto. That is such a sick card. Congrats again. Brock and S-Nix. E$Nix. Just want to make sure you guys are good to go. Kaiser has not missed in 2022. Yeah. Brock, are you guys locked in? You two good? I don't think S-Nix is responding. Yeah, I think we're just gonna run with it, Brock. All right, here we go again. We got one light, we got one hobby. Good luck, good luck. I see you're still trying to push the trade, but I don't think you're getting a response. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. All right, here we go. Ralph Boschung for Campos Racing. Is it a, no, it's insert. Botas. Redliners. Theo Porcaire. And a refractor. Ralph Boschung for Campos Racing. Sorry, Brock. Kimi Räikkönen. Is this his base? It is. Nice. Pierre Gasly. That's his base as well. Lando Norris. And a a 1961 Cars Carlos Sainz. Theo Perkay for Art Grand Prix. Lewis Hamilton. Path to the Podium, Bottas. And a Refractor Deletta. Oh, he did pass. Okay. Well, there you go. Simone Resta. It's our first Ray Wave coming up. Pierre Gasly, Grand Prix winner. Sebastian Vettel. Lewis Hamilton, Grand Prix winner. Ray Wave, black and white. Congrats, Gabe. Switching to Mercedes for this break. Richard Verscour. Formula One award winners, Lewis Hamilton. Pierre Gasly, 1961 cars. And our Redliners, Fernando Alonso. Roy Nissany, Future Stars. Grand Prix, Bottas. Fernando Alonso, 1961 cars. And a refractor for Williams Racing, George Russell. That is not the base, but we will take a refractor George Russell. We got green back there. Pierre Gasly, AlphaTauri. Lando Norris. Oh, almost gave that away. Charles Leclerc. And our green is a rookie. Mick Schumacher. Numbered to 99. That's bogey. Is that green lava? Is that what they're calling it in this? Or is it green wave maybe? Bogey hitting cracked ice T-Laws and getting rewarded with numbered Schumachers. Nice. Mazepin, rookie card. Verstappen, Grand Prix winner in Hungary. Look at this. Lando Norris, black checkerboard. McLaren, going to bogey, courtesy of All-American Card Breaks. Congrats, bogey. And an Esteban Ocon, Ray Wave for Alpine. Going to the True Gentleman. yeah. He's not just in this; he's a rookie in it. But yeah. Back-to-back breaks with a numbered shoe marker. Must be nice, Bogey. Hey, more rookie Mazepin. Liam Lawson, F2. Grand Prix, Lewis Hamilton. A lot of these. And a Carlos Sainz, Redliners. Esteban Ocon. That is not the base. Latifi, Williams Racing. Lando Norris, 1961 cars. And a refractor. Yeah. Mazepin. You had to say something. You had to put his name in chat. Maybe it's an insert in the back. Marino Sato for Trident. Fernando Alonso, Alpine. That is not the base. George Russell. And a Daniel Ricciardo. Redliners. Going to Bogey. Antonio Giovinazzi, Alfa Romeo. David Beckman, Future Stars. Grand Prix winner Max Verstappen. And looks like a red line. Path to the Podium, Sebastian Vettel. There's a Max Verstappen. I don't believe that is base. That's his base. Max Verstappen. There you go. Kaiser. Charles Leclerc. Not the base. Lance Stroll. I know that one's not. And then our Ray Wave for Trident, Marino Sato. Three more to go. Yep, the Stroll is base. Yeah, but this Fernando's not, right? Oh, it is. Okay, my bad. You're right, Bogey. How dare I question you? Fernando Alonso base. Daniel Ricciardo. So that's not base. No mask. So it's this, right? It's the portrait. I got it now. I think I got it. Sergio Perez, Grand Prix winner. And a Lewis Hamilton, path to the podium. On the podium, I won. All right, Kimi Räikkönen. Grand Prix winner, George Russell. For Mercedes. Interesting. Daniel Ricciardo. McLaren. 1961 cars. And a refractor rookie, Mick Schumacher. Tell you what, definitely had some decent Schumachers in the last couple boxes. All right, last pack of light, and then we're on to hobby. Okay, there's our Ray Wave, Carlos Sainz, Sebastian Vettel, Oscar Piastri. And our Ray Wave is for F2, Felipe Drugovich. Yeah, probably. I mean, the problem with F1, man, is just allocation. So it just depends on if I can. But if I have the ability to, then yes, I will definitely grab some. All right, on to hobby. Let's go. Let's pull another auto. Let's pull a big auto. Not want to come out. There we go. All right. Yes, I will definitely be getting it, and I hope some others will too, because I want to join some. Like, I'm kind of jelly. I want to be in this break. Lewis Hamilton. Lando Norris. Daletta. And a refractor, Jan Moncho. Max Verstappen. Nicholas Latifi. Charles Leclerc. And a Dan Ticktum refractor. That is going to Esnix. Theo Pourcaire. More Mazepin. Esteban Ocon. That's a nice one. That's his base, right? That's the portrait. Yep. And a Robert Schwartzman, 1961 cars. There's a nice Lewis Hamilton. The only thing I wish I knew was what the variations looked like. I don't know if any of you guys have seen them yet. I know they're called celebrations, but I have not seen one yet. Pierre Gasly. And Lando Norris, path to the podium. That's the Verstappen one. Bottas. Romain Grosjean. And it's horizontal. I wonder if they're all horizontal then, or if it's just Verstappen. F2 Campos. And on the back, we've got a refractor, Lewis Hamilton. Drinking out of a shoe. It's a good looking card. I like this photo. It's a nice one. Oh, Perez is vertical. Okay. Glad Topps made it easy on us. All right, we got a purple checkerboard here. George Russell. Liam Lawson. Redliners, Fernando Alonso. Purple checkerboard, Yuki Tsunoda. That's a nice one. For bye week, nice swap there. That's number 48 of 199, but they didn't do a very good job on the serial number. That's a nice one. So the variation is going to be 1 through 20 also. All right, so then that'll make it easy to tell. Now we got a black checkerboard. Toto Wolff. Carlos Sainz. Ferrari. A refractor, Charles Leclerc. Followed by a black checkerboard, Giovinazzi. Base card, that's a nice one. Alfa Romeo, and then a Leclerc refractor. All right, we're almost halfway through the hobby box. Come on. Lance Stroll. That's the base, right? Dan Ticktum. Kimi Räikkönen. And in 1961 cars, Felipe Drugovich. Am I lagging or am I good? Sometimes on my screen it kind of lags a little bit. Lewis Hamilton. That's a really cool photo. Grand Prix winner, Kimi Räikkönen. Okay, yeah, I thought so. Charles Leclerc. And a Redliners Bottas. Max Verstappen, Grand Prix winner. Sergio Perez. Oh, so would this be? Nope, number 46. Binotto for Ferrari. And a 1961 Cars, Fernando Alonso. Just a few left. Lewis Hamilton, Grand Prix winner, Great Britain. Daniel Ricciardo for McLaren. Yuki Tsunoda for AlphaTauri. And a Redliners, Marcus Armstrong. One of the drivers is him, Giovinazzi. Also, Kimi Räikkönen. Okay, we got a purple. We got a purple. Richard Verskoor. Max Verstappen. Refractor George Russell. Lewis Hamilton. Grand Prix winner. Number 102 of 399. It's a nice one, Gabe. I'll call out Alfa Romeo for you, Tudor. So this way you know when we pull them. Nice George Russell. So that's purple and I don't know what that is. Lewis Hamilton, Grand Prix winner. Sebastian Vettel. Oscar Piastri. So it's another purple. Max Verstappen. So this is that short print, 1 in 36 packs, purple and green. Yep. That's sick. Going to Red Bull. Kaiser. Good looking photo to have that. I mean, that's a good looking card. The purple border was numbered to $3.99, but purple and green, I guess, is just a short print. 1 in 36 packs. So about 1 in every 2 boxes. Yeah, I guess it was purple and green. I don't remember off the top of my head, but let's see, that's a 25 Verstappen. That would be, I would love to see it. Not in this pack. Roy Nissany. Max Verstappen. Esteban Ocon. And another Esteban Ocon, path to the podium. 4 packs to go. Oh, those are gold purple. All right. Daniel Ricciardo. Marino Sato for Trident. Jody Egginton, AlphaTauri. And a Lance Stroll, 1961 cars. Come on, Otto. Be in here. Andreas Seidel. David Beckman. Brent Viscal. And a Daniel Ricciardo, 1961 cars. Last 2. We need an auto. Dang. Lewis Hamilton, Grand Prix winner. George Russell. Carlos Sainz. That's his base. Pierre Gasly for AlphaTauri. Last one. Last pack magic. Last pack magic. Come on. There's a refractor on the back, so it's possible. Lando Norris. Oscar Piastri. That's his see, it's not numbered. It's not one of the first 20 cards, but it's still considered base for him, right? Mazepin. And not an auto. Refractor Brent Viscal. No auto in this one. Thank you, everybody, for filling the break. Nice little purple and green Verstappen. Refractor Russell. There's a purple number to 399 Lewis Hamilton. Giovinazzi. Oh, sorry, Giovinazzi. They're not. There's one in every 2 boxes, right around there, Brock. They're not the easiest to pull. Black checkerboard. That's a nice one. Yuki purple checkerboard. Number to 199. A Lewis Hamilton refractor. Charles Leclerc refractor. Dan Ticktum refractor. Big winner there. Felipe Drugovich Ray Wave. Mick Schumacher refractor. Ray Wave Sato. A Mazepin refractor. Black checkerboard Lando Norris. This is car. Ray Wave Esteban Ocon. Mick Schumacher green wave, I'm assuming, to 99. 63 of 99. That's a nice one. Congrats, Bogey, on that. George Russell refractor. Lewis Hamilton Ray Wave. Deletta refractor. Boschung refractor, and a Brent Viscal refractor. I'm going to try to get my hands on some more F1. I appreciate you guys all for joining the breaks, filling both of them tonight. And we got more coming.